How do you make a woman, even your wife or your ex, fall in love with you? How can I make a girl or a woman fall in love with me? How do I make a woman love me? And sometimes even my wife or even my ex, is it possible to make her fall in love with me again? These are among the questions men ask me most frequently during my consultations. They are also heavily discussed in the comments. That's why today I decided to make a video dedicated entirely to this topic. So how do you make a woman or a girl fall in love with you? Appearance and first impression. First, let me be very clear. Appearance is extremely important. Look at yourself from the outside. If you were a woman, would you be attracted to a man like this? Many men can't see themselves objectively. But the truth is, the brain reacts to visuals first. Well-groomed hair, a clean face, thoughtful clothing, clean shoes, well-kept hands, healthy teeth. These are basic things, but they are incredibly powerful. There is a common myth. Men fall in love with their eyes, women with their ears. This is not true. Women also fall in love with their eyes. If you're already in a relationship that's stuck, not moving forward, but not ending either, sometimes an image change is necessary to move things ahead. Buy new clothes, change your hairstyle, use a new fragrance, try a different style. In a woman's mind, it's like a slide suddenly changes. She starts seeing you differently. This works especially well if you want to restart a relationship that ended long ago. You want to give things another chance with an ex. If entering through the same door didn't work, step out, close the door, and come back in with a completely different image. It truly works. Don't be too nice. The biggest mistake men make when trying to make a woman fall in love is this: being overly kind, overly agreeable, overly accommodating. That is not attractive. Women are drawn to men who are a little selfish, a little bold, a little indifferent, have boundaries, take initiative. Being the nice guy is not attractive. Women are more drawn to men who fit the so-called bad boy category. Take initiative in the relationship. Instead of saying, "What do you want?" you decide. Whatever you like. Say, "We're going out for pizza tonight. We're going to the movies today. I'll come at this time." This attitude makes you stronger, clearer, more effective as a man. Don't be too emotionally available. Reacting emotionally to everything she says, being reachable at all times, appearing overly interested. These reduce attraction. Why? Because around every woman, there are 10 men who admire her and do whatever she wants. She usually chooses the 11th one, the calm, composed man. There's a reason the old saying exists. The less you love a woman, the more attractive you seem to her. This is a psychological mechanism. When a man emotionally pulls back, the woman starts thinking, imagining, and unknowingly becomes attached. Be a man who is in demand. Women want men who are wanted by others. If no one calls you, no one texts you, your life is empty, you're always available, your value drops. But if you're busy with work, you have a social circle, you have female friends, people communicate with you, women see you as more valuable. Have a goal in life. A man who has a goal, works toward that goal, does not center his life around a woman is far more attractive. If you don't have a goal, the woman becomes your goal. This creates dependency in the relationship and destroys attraction. Women love to talk. Women have a slightly narcissistic side. They enjoy talking about themselves. So let her talk. Don't share too much about yourself. Ask questions. She talks, her ego is satisfied, you gather information, and she feels good. Value your time. Time is the most valuable resource. It never comes back. A man who values his time is more attractive to women. Be clear. I have 2 hours today. I'm not available on Saturday. We can meet at this time. He doesn't wait. He doesn't stall. He sets boundaries. This posture raises your value in women's eyes. Final move. Take a step back. Sometimes everything gets stuck. Nothing moves forward. Nothing becomes clear. That's when taking a step back becomes a powerful move. The moment you say, "I don't think this is going anywhere," her perspective may suddenly change. Your value rises instantly. The chase-run dynamic activates. This is instinctive. Conclusion: if you change your image, are clear and decisive, don't act overly emotional, focus on your own life. Value your time. It is possible to make a woman, even your ex, fall in love with you again. Read these 9 principles repeatedly. Let them settle in your mind and apply them. And let me add one more important point. It's worth saying, a critical detail most men overlook. Women don't fall in love with words. They fall in love with how they feel next to a man. You can say the right things and look confident, but if there is no emotion, curiosity, and slight tension around you, attraction fades over time. That's why emotional balance is essential. Sometimes you should be warm and attentive, sometimes focused on your own life and distant. This is not being cold. It's not being rude. It means being emotionally independent. If everything is completely predictable, emotions die. A little uncertainty keeps the mind engaged. Another critical factor is self-respect. The moment you stay silent about behavior that goes against your values, you lose your position in her eyes. Respect is not demanded. It is shown through calm boundaries and consistent behavior. In the most important sentence, a woman doesn't choose you because she needs you. She chooses you because she feels better, safer, and more alive with you. If you are a man with goals, clear boundaries, and inner strength, you don't chase attraction. Attraction forms naturally. Be sure to write your feedback in the comments. We always enjoy reading them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share the video with your loved ones. If you like the video, we'd really appreciate it. See you in the next video. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.